In this video, we're going to look at a couple of quick examples on how to calculate consumer surplus and producer surplus. So we're going to start off like we always do. This is going to sound like a broken record, but we start off with a market diagram for some product. And in this case, we're going to start with a supply curve. So we've got a diagram with a price and a quantity. We're going to have a price of 6 and a quantity of 12. And what we're looking for is the triangle that's above the supply curve. And we need a number right here where the supply curve hits the price axis. So let's put a number there, 1. 1 sounds like a good number. And let me shade in the area that we want to calculate. It's this triangle here. Again, it's below the price we're interested in, the market price, and above the supply curve. So the area of a triangle is just 1/2 times the base times the height. The base is 12, and the height is the difference between 6 and 1, which is, of course, just 5. So 1/2 of 12 is 6, and 6 times 5 is 30. So our producer surplus should be 30. And, of course, producer surplus is the value that the producers get from participating in the marketplace. Now, on the flip side of that, we've got the consumer surplus. So we're going to do the same diagram, but we're going to draw a demand curve instead of a supply curve. Label the price and quantity axis, and we're going to come up with a price and a quantity in order to do the calculations. So let's start off with a quantity of 12, and let's set the price equal to 6. And we need a price where the demand curve hits the price axis. I've seen people call this the choke price because that's the price where all the demand chokes off. We're going to go with 10. And we're going to shade in the triangle so you can visualize the area that we're trying to find. We just want the area of that blue triangle. So the consumer surplus is equal to 1/2 of the base times the height. And the base is going to be our quantity of 12. And the height is going to be the difference between these two prices. So the difference between 6 and 10 is 4. So 1/2 of 12 times 4. Well, 1/2 of 12 is 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. So that is our consumer surplus, and that is the value that our consumers get for participating in this market.